Want to learn something new or want to opt for certification or some courses for free? Go to this website. Search for digital defined. Just click on the first link and go over the free courses and the opt for 45,000 plus free online courses. Now come down below and here is a search option. So now you can search for any courses, like you want to learn Azure, right? So I will search for Azure. So you see the first one, Learning Azure by Udemy. It's free of cost, you can learn anytime. So yeah, see. This is a free tutorial, right? So now just suppose we want to learn Python, right? So we will search for Python. And you can see a tons of courses from Udemy. Or just suppose you want to learn from MIT, right? So we are also having MIT free courses here. You can opt for this too and can learn for absolutely free. You can search their courses like I want to learn artificial intelligence or might be cyber security, right? So I will just, actually it's paid, right? Sorry, it's paid. So select the first option, free MIT courses. Now we are here and you can search for different courses, like here is a free course, computer system engineering. Okay, it's absolutely free, you can learn anytime. Or just come here again, or you want to learn data science, right? Data science. So see the first option, introduction to data science using Python. And you can even get certification courses too here. Like we will come here and the free courses. Here is an option, free certification courses, right? So it will show you like the first course, introduction to. Okay, yeah, fine. So the first course, introduction to computer science, it is from the Harvard Institute. It is absolutely free. And the third one, Google certificate, it's provided by Google. Just click on it, and we are here on the Google, and we can just learn by their online training, and we can get a certification that will be valid for anywhere. We can show it on our LinkedIn or any other social media. I can put it on your resume, right? And now there are tons of courses, like you want to learn Microsoft Office, right? So many people want to learn Microsoft Office. So they will opt for the Microsoft Office. And let's see what's coming. Okay, so LinkedIn Learning, it is also okay. Actually, it's not free, it's paid. But anyway, if you are going to take a premium subscription of LinkedIn, you are going to get this courses free. Yeah. Or there are some other things also available here, like you are in, like you want to prepare for your IELTS. Okay, that is for when you go to other country, you need to have this certification of IELTS. So you can learn from here for free from Udemy and from some other website too. Or we just come here and just take away on this. Go on all courses. Go on your all courses. And here is an option, university courses, more art clubs, healthcare. You can even learn finance, business development, and etc. Go and learn right now. It is absolutely free. It is for you. And subscribe our channel and like the video and share with your friends. Whoever needs this, you are going to help them, right?